You will definitely need this video if you're a fashion designer and you have this small size monogramming machine. With these tips I'm going to share with you, you can do monogramming of agbada design on this small machine with these small hoops. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to panic. I will help you achieve that. I am Oden Shalom from the Finalizing Clothings. It's great having you here. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to have our future videos or tutorials, make sure you turn on your notification button. If you find this video helpful, don't fail to smash the like button and share. That's all we will need from you. All right, without further delay, we'll be jumping right into the lesson. Pay close attention so that you don't miss. So this is the first pocket design I have made, and is way bigger than the hoops. Have you seen? So this is the biggest size of the hoops of this machine. So we are going to manipulate it with these tips and techniques. Watch carefully. The good news is there's no boundary concerning the product you are using, the machine you are using. So far as it's a small monogramming machine, it's applicable to all. You understand? So don't panic. Whichever machine you are using, just watch this video carefully. That's what we are going to do. First, this is the design I already made for the pocket, and is bigger. What we are going to do now is to rule two lines, vertical and horizontal straight lines. So take note of what I'm showing you. On those my lines that I've ruled, I will impute my pepper gum. It's a thick pepper gum beneath. Make sure it will cover your pocket size and extra. So I will take time, I will fast forward it and arrange it to follow those lines. Please watch carefully. I'm zooming it so that you see how those lines are, because it will help us in achieving the other side of the design too. I believe by now you could have known how to hold your fabric to the hood. After we are done, we'll be having something like this. Those lines are aligned perfectly. So you have to capture the lines the way they reached. Yours could be inside or outside a bit, but make sure they are the same. So now we are coming to the design. Watch the screen, because whatever I do here, I will repeat it on the other side. So it's not the design we want. We change the other one we are going to do first. This is the one. So watch carefully what I'm going to be doing here, because whatever you do here will be the result you'll be having. So this is the measurement I have for my pocket. Have you seen? So the measurement I'm having for this pocket, if you join it, it will be the full pocket size. Let me show you what I mean. So this is 8 centimeters. If you convert it, it's like 3.5 inches. So 3.5 plus 3.5 will give us a pocket width of 7 inches, like this. So that's the pocket width. The pocket length, you will see there again. So let me zoom it so that you see. This is what I mean. Yeah, using 8 point something, 8.46, and here 18.6 for the length. 18.6. Let us check what we have. If you open it, it's like 7.5. The pocket length is okay. So that is what we set it to be. So you can convert your inches through that way. So now I will be adjusting the design to where it's supposed to be. Take note of where I'll be adjusting it to. Look at the point I'm adjusting it to. Make sure any of those tiny lines that your first design reached, exactly that tiny line is what you are going to be using for the second design you are going to use to complete the big design you are trying to achieve. So the first one I started, I'll fast forward it and I will change the thread based on the colors we are doing to avoid time wastage. So we are done with the first design and is task completed. So now to the second design, watch carefully what I'm going to be doing. So we cancel it. This is the second design. So, and what we need here, we need to adjust the design to be smaller to that measurement I showed you. This is what we are going to be doing. Come here, follow that step gradually. I'm reducing the design to be the same measurement I showed you. Reduce it to that same length and that same weight we use for the same design, the first design, sorry to say. So now when we are done, we are going to be bringing the design to the same place the other design was. So you see me delaying to do it. I'm taking time to be able to achieve the exact point the other one was, to avoid missing out anything. So when it's really adjusted to the point, I'll press enter and the thing will be set to be done. So now on this part, I will remove the first one. Are you seeing? So those lines, now we check what we had here as the first line, how many inches. So we had exactly 1 inch away from that design. So I will place my hood to make sure it's straight and it's following the other horizontal line that we drew at the other extreme where the hood stops. And on this point, we are going to replace that 1 inch that we measured from the other end. So check it very well if it is up to 1 inch. This process doesn't need haste. You don't need to hurry. So I'll make sure I align it to be 1 inch. So while I was setting this, the thing escaped my mind that I already passed this boundary. So I'll know how to set it. Then I'll put it on my machine and the thing will start monogramming. And I will fast forward it so that we'll see the result. So if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more advanced updates like this. So the task is completed and we complete it like this. So this is what we have. So we have our full pocket that is bigger than our hoop, done perfectly. Alright, see you in my next video. In case you wish to join our online suit classes, the phone number on the screen is my WhatsApp number. Kindly hit up